You don't see this coming, but they are. Returning to speak the truth before it get too late, owing to tell you that why they were ignoring you and avoiding this relationship and the past. Your partner is not interested in showing anyone attention unless it is you getting ready to walk right into commitment. Your partner is praying this conversation between you both will change your thoughts towards them. They are desiring to show you their real side. Your high vibrational energy is very alluring, not just only to your partner but also to the people around you. Your partner want to open up to you emotionally.